art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Vecna from Brawl Stars, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with a frown in the middle. We're going to leave a small gap from the center, curving that out on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw our diagonal line coming out on both sides, and we're going to draw that at the exact same size. Let's draw in the eyes underneath now. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle on the left hand side, and then we'll flip across on the right and replicate that again. Moving in towards the center for the pupil, we're going to come over to the corner and we're going to draw in another half circle. Going to flip over, mirroring that on the right. Now let's draw in a small circle for the highlights. On the top left here, we're going to draw in a circle. We're going to do the same on the left-hand corner in our right eye. And then we're just going to color in the pupil black. Now on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the center to close off the top of the head. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the right hand side, arching this through, blending that back together in the center. Now from here, moving slightly down this line, we're just going to curve this line up towards the side. And then as we step down, we're going to draw in another smaller diagonal line coming through to the center. Let's step up. Above both of these now, we're going to curve this line up towards the top of our head. And then we're going to step in, replicating that again. Let's close off the rest of the face. Moving down on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down and then in on a diagonal. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And then now from here, we're going to close this off. We're going to flatten this out in the center. So we're going to bring this line across, curving that slightly in the middle, and then bringing that back through on the right. Let's draw in our nose. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up and down on the right. In the middle here, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And then right in the middle, we're just going to color that in black. In the center here, we're just going to connect this where we have our tiny gap with a small straight line. Let's continue to close off the rest of Vecna's face now. So stepping in from this line, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming through towards the bottom. And then now from here, we're going to close that off with an arch line from left to right. For the mouth, stepping over on the left, we're going to bring this line up, across, and then down on the right. And then we're going to draw in another small frown line underneath. Now let's move over. For the shoulders, we're going to step up on the cheek, curving this around and in. We're going to mirror that on the right hand side as well. Now we're going to curve this line in and then back up towards the chin. In the center of both of these now, we're just going to draw in two curved lines, leaving an even amount of space, bringing that across. We'll flip across on the right hand side, replicating that. Let's move down for the torso. Leaving a small gap now coming down, we're going to curve this line through on a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the right, just drawing that at the same size. Now from here, in the middle, we're going to arch this line over from left to right. Let's come down now for the leg. We're going to curve this line around and down towards the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to connect this together now with a circle. So stepping over beside that, let's draw in a circle, closing that off. And then now from here on the inside, on the side here, we're going to curve this line in towards that circle, ending that at the same height. Moving down, again, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then moving out below the circle, we're going to bring that through on a diagonal ending that at roughly the same height. Let's close off the foot now. So from this inside line, we're going to curve this line around and we're going to bring that down on the side. Moving in, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in 2 arch lines coming in towards the center. Now let's draw on the arms. So as we come underneath, we're going to curve this line out from our torso here. Let's step under, curving this back around and down on a diagonal again. Now let's move up above. We're going to curve this line down, ending that at the same height where it bends there. And then let's move across again, curving this around and down, again ending that at the same height as the line on the bottom. Now let's draw on the hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. And then from that point to create that claw, we're just going to curve this around and then back in towards the bottom. Now from that point, again, we're going to curve this back around and through towards the wrist. And then coming underneath for the finger behind, we're just going to curve this line out and then back in from that point towards the top. Now let's come in and add in the details in the body. So we'll start with the hands first. For the claw from the top, we're going to curve this line around and down for the thumb. We're going to step over for the first finger, curving that through towards the top. Now from here for the wrist, we're going to arch this line over. And then for the arm here, from point to point, we're just going to curve this back up. Let's close off the center of the torso here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the right, stretching that through. Now as we move up from that corner of the hip, we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the top here, curving that over towards the right. We're going to step down, leaving a small gap, replicating that. And then we're going to step down, leaving another gap, replicating that again one more time. Let's move in towards the top left now. We're going to draw this diagonal line coming through towards the side of the torso, and then moving in towards the middle, replicating that again, bringing that up. Now, as we come through towards the center, we're going to draw on a straight line that comes directly up towards the top. Now moving beside this, we're going to draw on a slight diagonal line coming out and then bringing that across towards the side. We'll replicate that, mirroring that on the right. Now on the left-hand side from the shoulder, we're going to curve this line down, connecting that line together. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then on the top here, we're going to leave a small gap, curving this line over on the right and left-hand side. Let's draw in the tentacles behind now. So on the side here, we're going to just draw in a wavy line as we come up on a diagonal towards the right-hand side. And then we're going to replicate that as we mirror that on the left-hand side as well. Let's continue that on the bottom. So again, just drawing in a wavy line. And then we're going to taper that in as we join that together at a point on the top. Now let's move down. We're going to replicate that again. So we're going to bring this across. Moving over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that again. And then starting from that point, we're going to draw in another wavy line as we come down towards the side of the body. Let's draw in another one angling down on a diagonal. slight diagonal here. And then again from that point, just replicating that as we move through on the side. We're going to draw 2 more, so we're going to bring these through on a diagonal towards the bottom, following the line of the arm underneath. And then again from that point, bringing this through towards the top, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Vecna from Brawl Stars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.